are you all? Once again, here I am with the new lecture of lesson exponents and powers. So children, today we are going to study use of exponents in expressing large numbers in the standard form. Now what is meant by standard form? Let's see. See children, sometimes we come across very large numbers that it is not easy to read. So to convert that large numbers into the standard form will be easy to read that number. As you can see here, one number I have written here. Okay. Now let's see first what is meant by standard form. A number is said to be in the standard form if it is expressed as a into 10 to the power n. A is any. Here I have mentioned that this a is a non-zero, n is a non-zero integer, and where this a should be less than equal to 1 or less than equal to 10. Means this a you can start it maybe from 1 to 10. Okay, and this n is what? N is a non-zero integer. Now the standard form of notation is also called as scientific notation. So standard form is also called as scientific notation. Now let's see. Here see, I have written one very large number 5976 and so many zeros. Now to convert, this is the usual form. This is which form? Usual form. Now how to convert this usual form into standard form? What you have to do? Here from right to left, you will count the digits till one non-zero number. Okay, till one non-zero, एक non-zero number तक आपको ये सब digits count करने हैं. See 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So after this you will put the dot, and now 5.976 into 10 raised to the power 10. See what I said, that it is expressed as a into 10 to the power n. So you can see this, your a is what? 5.976, and I already told you that this a should be between from 1 to 10. Okay, so 5.976 into 10 to the power n. What is your n here? 10. How to start? From right to left you will count till one non-zero number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. Now, and standard form is also called as scientific notation. It's very easy children. Now let's see exercise 6.3. It's question number 1. Now see exercise 6.3, question number 1 is very easy. Find the number from each of the following each of the following expanded form. Means you have to find the number of the expanded form. As you can see here, one expanded form is given. What is given? That 6 into 10 raised to the power 3 plus 5 into 10 square plus 0 into 10 plus 6 into 10 to the power 6. So very easy, only just you have to write the digits. Whatever the digits are here. So what is the digit here? 6, 5, then 0, then 6. So what is the number of this expanded form? 6506. Here one more example I have written for some. You can see here. Again here what are the digits? 4, 8, 6, 4, 4, 6, 9. 4, 8, 6, 4, 4, 6, 9. This is the number of the expanded form. Now this is your question number 1, and question number 2 is just convert opposite of this. Okay, question is write the following numbers in the expanded form. Means in the first question expanded form was given, you have written the number, and now number will be given to you. You have to write the expanded form. And see children, the expanded form 3, 2, 1 here, this is 0. So the while writing in expanded form, the from right side here, the first power will be 0, then 1, 2 and 3. Just remember these two, write the question number 2. Okay, let's see question number 2 now. Now see your question number 2. Write in expanded form. Here one number I have written 34,562. The number you have to convert into this expanded form. So first of all you count the powers of the 10, means till what power you have to take here. And okay, see here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see in the expanded form, the last power will be what? 0. So first to confirm that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 means the highest power will be what here? 4. Or you can do like this also. How many digits are there? 5. So 5 minus 1 is what? 4. So just subtract 1. 5 minus 1, 4. So now the expanded form will be 3 into 10 to the power 4 plus 4 into 10 to the power 3 plus 5 into 10 to the power 2 plus 6 into 10 to the power 1. 1 if you will not write, then also we know that it is 1. Now 2 into 10 to the power 0. Okay. Now let's see here how many total digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 minus 1 will be what? 5. So it means the highest power is what here? Highest power of 10 is 5. So let's start writing expanded form. 7, right? 7 into 10 to the power 5 plus 5 into 10 to the power 4, 5 into 10 cube plus 0. If 0 is there, then also you have to write the 0. 0 into 10 square plus 4 into 10 plus 2 into 10 to the power 0. Okay. So in this way you can solve the left examples of question number 2. Now let's see question number 3. Write the following numbers in the standard form. Now see, you have to write the number in the standard form. Here one large number is given. Now what is the steps? Okay, what is the step? The step 1 is move the decimal point to the left till you get one non-zero digit. Okay, and then write the given number as the product of the numbers so obtained and 10 raised to the power n, where n is the number of the places the decimal point has been moved to the left. It means what? See, what you will do, first you will count, you have to shift, move to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This means 10 raised to the power 6 you will get 8 into 10 to the power 6. Now let's write second number. Second one is as you can see, this is also very large number. Now again what you will do, you have to move the decimal point to the left side till you get one non-zero digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to this you will count, and now you put the dot. 4 point. Now write 1925 into 10 to the power 9. Okay, so I hope you understood this very well. Now let's see one example where already the decimal point is there. So let's see that also. Here that example is number 4. Now see this example. 93,045.08. Okay. Now you see what you have to write here, what you have to do here. Here the already the decimal dot is there. Okay. So from here you will start counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This many decimal places. So what you 9 point, the complete number you have to write now, all the digits 304,508 into 10 to the power 4. This number is already written in decimal form. Now after the dot you have to count these digits. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you will write 91304,508 into 10 to the power 4. Now let's write one more example of this type. That is fifth one. 5682102 6. Okay. Now see, this number is already in the decimal part. Now from here you start counting till 1 non-zero digits. 1, 2, 3. So what will be the answer? 5.8. Okay. 6820226 into 10 to the power 3. Okay. So this is how to write the numbers in the standard form. Now see children, question number 4. What is question number 4? Question number 4 is write the number from the following statements in the standard form. Now some statements are given there. You have to convert that numbers in the standard form. Question is the distance between sun and earth is, you can see one very large number mentioned here, 149600000000. Okay, so now you know what you have to do, means this type of number is there. So from here you will start counting the digits till you get one non-zero number and you have to place the decimal point. Okay, so this you can do now. Question number 4, it's a second sum also you can write. And question number 3 is diameter of the earth given, that also you have to convert into standard form. And fourth one is speed of light in vacuum is given, that also you have to convert in standard form. Okay, now let's see question number 5. Question number 5 is write the following numbers in the usual form. Which is usual form? This form is called as usual form. This is usual form, and when you write 10 raised to the power n in the form of 10 raised to the power n, that is your standard form. So let's see question number 5. Now see question number 5. Write the numbers in the usual form, and the question is given in which form? Standard form. So let's write that also. See, it's also very easy. What you will do? Here 10 raised to the power 7 given. Okay, and you know when it is, when the power, here see, power of 6 power we have written now. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here you can see 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal places are already given. Okay, so from 7 you subtract 3. So what is left? 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So just put 4 zeros after 6 and remove the decimal point. So what it will be? 4, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Now you see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Getting answer? Let's see one more example. 7.253 into 10 to the power 11 given now. Okay, the power is what? 11, and here already 3 decimal places are given. So 11 minus 3 is what? 8. It means you have to put 8 zeros along this number, with this number. So 7253 without decimal it will be, because we are writing the usual form. 7253 Okay, then how many zeros? You will write 8 zeros. You have to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's see one more example. Third sum, 7.5 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, so very easy. The power is 3. One decimal place is already there. Okay, so it means 2 zeros you have to put. So 7500. So in this way, children, we have completed the lesson also. Lesson number 6, exponents and powers. So I hope you understood the lesson very well. Practice more, then it will be easy for you. You know, practice makes the man perfect. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.